We'll guide you through how to post on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook, and say you want to go and post. We're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure these 4 guides you're going to know what to do. As when you go and post, you can then go and post to the public, your friends, or only for yourself. We're going to walk you through everything from adding photos to music to tagging people, adding locations, and other stuff as well. So watch these 4 guides, you're going to know what to do step by step. So to get started, you can come to the home page, which is in the bottom left, or on some devices that will be the top left. Now, what you can do is go to the top right, and you can go and press the plus to the left of the search icon, the magnifying glass. You can press post. Alternatively, you can press what's on your mind. If you press that plus, you will see the other options, but we're focusing on the traditional post. So you can go and press what's on your mind. So to go and get started, we can go and add some text. So here you could go and add in, what it is. So if you're posting photos of your holiday, you could say holiday photos, or just put in what you're wanting to go and post about. So I could go and put in can't wait for the next holiday. You can then go and press done in the top right like this. Now what we can do is go and add some music. So you can go and press music at the top. You can go and find a song which goes and represents this, or just one you like. So I can go and put in Walking on a Dream like so, and that'll then go and be used. If you go and tap it at the top, you can go and then change it again if you wanted to. Next, you can go and choose if you want to go and tag people. So for example, you may want to go and tag a friend if you're going on holiday with them, in my case, or a family member. I could press people and then choose them, and then go and press done. Then you can go and add a location. So I could go and tap location. Let's go and say I'm currently in Manchester. I could select that, but alternatively, I could go and put in where I want to go as well. For example, Spain or somewhere like that. You can then go and add a feeling or activity. So you can tap that there. I could go and put in happy, love, blessed, or I could go and choose an activity here as well. You can go and see, I could tap here and go and choose the different categories as well. You can search if you're trying to go and find a specific one, which can go and make it easier. You can then also go and choose event, and you can go and select the event you want to go and tag. So you can scroll through here and go and search for them as well. Scroll along and you can go and press album, and you can go and choose an album as well there for your photos. So you can go and create one as well if you wanted to. If we then go and look in the bottom left, you can go and choose friends. So this is going to be who can currently go and see it. For you, it may go and say something else. For example, I could go and change it to public as well. Or I could go and set it for only me or specific people. So you can go and choose how that's going to go and work. So in this case, I'll do it for the public. If I wanted to, I can make that the default audience as well for future posts, but you can always go and change it again in the future. Now let's go and say I wanted to go and add in some photos or something like that. Then what you can then do is go and press add media. This is slightly different for me because I've gone and added the music, but we can still press add media. Your camera will go and open up, and you can then go and start choosing photos here. So I've got this one added. I could press next, and there it is. But I could press add media, multiple like so. So I'll go through here and start selecting them. As you can see, I've now got 4 there. And then what you can do is press next in the bottom right, and then now added. And what you can then do is at the bottom is press choose layout. We could choose between columns, frames as well. And if you go and choose columns or frame, you're going to have an edit icon in the top right. So you can then go and edit it to your liking as well. So you can go and change the lighting, the effects, the different settings, and you can look in the top right here and press the tag button as well. If someone features in it, you can go and tag them in that specific post, which can be cool, or specific photo, I should say. You can go and crop it in the top right. You can go and add stickers, see what they go and look like there, and you can add a link as well. So for now, I'm just going to go and discard that. And now press done, and you can go and choose the layout. So in this case, I'll just go for the classic one. Now, if you wanted to go and add a link, for example, to a website or something else, you could do that as well. So what you could do is go and tap in the text, and to go and add in a link, just to make sure that it's clickable, what you need to do is go and add in https:// I'm going to type in my YouTube link. So I type in youtube.com/@GuideRealm videos. But what can be easier in most cases is to go and find the site in Safari or whatever web browser you're using. It could be Chrome, and then you can go and copy it, and then you can go and paste it by tapping on the cursor there and pressing paste. I just wrote mine out there, but you may not be able to. Then you can go and press done, and there it is there. So what we can then do is head to the bottom left again, and you can go and see the Instagram icon. It currently says off, but if I tap on it, I could go and start sharing to Instagram if you've got an account added. I can't share it there. I don't want to either. So then when you're ready, you can go to the bottom right and you can go and find the next button and you can press next. Now you can choose if you want to go and create a reel. I don't. Choose the post audience. We did already set that. You can choose if you want to go and schedule it. So at the moment, it's going to be posted immediately as soon as I go and do this, but you may want it to go and be posted later for whatever reason if you wanted to. In this case, I'll do it now. Choose if you want to be shared to your story. This can be great for more people to go and see it because then as they go through their stories, your post will go and appear. So in case they miss it in your feed, because often I don't actually look at the feed, I just look at stories, I'll still go and see it and potentially go and like it and engage with it. And then if it's a brand partnership, you need to go and put that there. But in this case, it isn't. So here, if you go and share it in your story, you'll have to go and post it now. It can't be scheduled as well. So then what we can do is we can go and press post in the top right and it will go and say uploading. When it's finished, it'll go and say your post has been published. You can press view and you'll get taken to it. Alternatively, if you go and press profile in the bottom right or top right, depending upon your device, we scroll down, it'll then go and be on our profile. If it isn't, just go and refresh. And as you can see, there it is. So that's it. And if you want to go and edit it, press the three dots in the top right and you can edit the post. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful guides. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.